Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install 7-zip on Windows 10, 11, and etc. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your browser, either Safari or Google Chrome, and type night this website. Okay, and click on the first link. This is the website where you can download many software, okay, any software you want. And today I'm going to show you how to download and install 7-zip. It's used for compression, so like WinRAR and pzip. So I'm going to check the software which I want to download and install. Okay, and go down and click on get your ninite. See, and the download is finished, and now I will install the 7-zip. Click on that. Preparing setup. Yes, as you can see, 7-zip has been installed successfully on my Windows. That's how you can download and install 7-zip on your Windows machine. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and if you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.